Good morning, everyone. Last class we learned the chapter Ripu and Wingle, and I hope you are completed the new words and its meaning. And number two, page number 87 in my textbook. So everyone, please take your textbook and complete this one. Make the words in the box with the meaning. You may take the help of a dictionary. And in there you can see five words are in a yellow box. So you can use that one. First one, this all works you have to write in the textbook itself. So first one, near the lower part of the mountain. What is the word to near the lower part of a mountain? That is Foots Hill. With grey hair, grizzled. To rub gently, stroke. To be very surprised, astonished. Known to you, familiar. Okay. So next one, say whether the following sentence are true or false. Rip was kind to children. Is it true or false? Answer is true. Next question, Ripu was a hardworking man. Ripu was a hardworking man. So the answer is false. The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. We know his constant companion was a dog, and that man is not a constant companion. So the answer is false. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. That is also false. Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. The answer is true. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Yes, exactly. The answer is true. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. Answer is false. He has reached his own village, but after 20 years he has come back to his own home. That's why nobody can understand. Okay, next one, complete the following sentence. This work also you can write in the textbook. Complete the following sentences. First one, Rip's village was situated at the foothills of Catskill Mountain. Number two, the children of the village loved him because he played with them, told them stories, and taught them runs to shoot marbles and fly the kites. Number three, Dash was his constant companion. Wolf, the dog. The villagers stared at him because they did not seem to know him. Fifth one, the old woman who recognized Rip was Dash, his neighbor, his old neighbor, or you can write his neighbor or his own old neighbor. So in this chapter, one more thing is there is no question and answer is there. So these all are the question and answer. So you make sure that to complete all the works. Okay, then work in pair, group of four, but that is not possible because all are in online. That's why that is not possible. So fourth one, what were the strange things about the men on the mountain? So you have to write four things. I'm giving the answer. You may try your own, and otherwise you can use this answer. So first one is, you can write the four strange things. Number one, they all were dressed the same way. Two, all had beard of various shapes and colors. Their faces were very serious. They did not speak. So these are the four strange things about the men on the mountain. Okay. Next one. What kind of a man was Rip Van Winkle? So, first question, write about the strange things about the man, and the second question, write about Rip Van Winkle. So, first one, he was a kind neighbor. Second one, he was a good-natured man. He loved the children. He was very lazy and very lazy man. And one more thing is that you can notify this one, he was a kind neighbor. So the spelling of neighbor, N-E-I-G-H-B-O, F-O-U-R. That answer already given in your textbook. So remaining 3 only you can write. Okay. Next one, pick out the names of games mentioned in the story. So one box is there. So you have to find out the answer from the box. Then write down nearby the place. Okay, I'll write the answer. Flying kites, 9 pins, shooting marble, mountain climbing. Okay, we can find out only 4, but the space is, there is some more space is there, but nothing is there, only 4. Next one, sometimes we join two words to make a describing word. For example, Rip was a good-natured man. Everybody liked him. Here are some more describing words. Use them to complete the given paragraph. And we already know what is describing word. That is, we learned in last classes and before the last year also we learned one word that is describing the noun, that is describing word. So here we can see one box with yellow color, long sleeve, high heeled, well dressed, open mouthed, sweet looking, odd looking, part time. So there is not a single word, that's a two word. Okay, so when you are completing the paragraph you have to make sure that is a not single word, that's a two words combined together. Okay, so first one, Mrs. That has dash job in the clothes job. Yesterday and dash woman walked into the shop. She was wearing dash shoes. A dash dog was with her. I want a dash shirt for my dog, please, she said. For your dog? Asked Miss Das. Dash in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. I wanted him to be for my next. I want him to be dash for my next party. So we can write down the answer in the provided spaces. First one, Mrs. Das has a part-time job in a cloth shop. Yesterday, and dash here, odd looking, odd looking woman walked into the shop. She was wearing dash shoe, high heeled shoes. A well dressed dog with her. Sorry, a sweet looking dog was with her. I want a long sleeved shirt for my dog, please, she said. For your dog? Asked Mrs. Das. Dash, here dash, open mouthed in surprised. Yes, replied the woman. I wanted him to be a well dressed for my next party. So here I am giving the answers also. So everyone, please complete this work. Okay, so remaining works we can do in the next video. All right, so in this chapter, one more time I am telling that in this chapter there is no question answer. You no need to write in the question answer in your notebook. You can write only the new words and its meaning that you already done yesterday. So you have to complete the textual activities. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.